Airport and ground handling risks encompass exposures during aircraft operations on the ground, including taxiing, loading, and maintenance, as well as liabilities for airport operators and ground handling service providers. 1. Risks during taxiing, loading, or maintenance. Taxiing risks, collisions, aircraft striking parked planes, vehicles, or infrastructure. Runway incursions, accidental entry onto active runways, increasing collision risk. Foreign object debris FOD, damage from debris to engines or fuselage. Example, an Airbus A320 wing was severely damaged in a collision with a ground vehicle during taxiing, resulting in a $1 million repair claim. Loading risks, cargo damage, mishandling of high-value or fragile cargo. Overloading/misloading, incorrect weight distribution leading to operational hazards. Passenger accidents, injuries during boarding or disembarking, such as falls. Example, improper loading led to the collapse of cargo pallets, damaging sensitive electronics worth $500,000. Maintenance risks, human error, technicians causing damage, such as improper component installation. Tool-related incidents, tools left in engines or near sensitive parts. Faulty repairs, leading to in-flight operational failures. Example, an aircraft engine failure due to a maintenance oversight caused $2 million in losses and operational delays. 2. Liability exposure for airport operators and ground handlers. Airport operators, premises liability, accidents on airport property, including passenger injuries or aircraft damage from poor pavement conditions. Operational errors, mismanagement of runway or taxiway traffic causing collisions. Environmental liability, pollution from spills of fuel or chemicals like de-icing agents. Example, an icy runway not properly treated caused a landing aircraft to skid, leading to a $3 million liability claim. Ground handling service providers, physical damage to aircraft, mishandling equipment causing dents or scratches, particularly on sensitive parts like engines or fuselage. Bodily injury, accidents involving passengers, crew, or ground staff. Operational delays, errors in towing, fueling, or loading, causing delayed departures. Example, a ground crew's improper attachment of a tow bar damaged an aircraft's nose gear, costing $600,000 in repairs and leading to flight delays. 3. Insurance coverage for these risks. Third-party liability covers bodily injury or property damage caused to third parties. Example, catering truck damaging an aircraft wing. Premises and operations liability protects airport operators against accidents on their property. Product liability covers errors in fueling, cargo handling, or maintenance. Comprehensive general liability CGL, broader operational protection for both operators and handlers. Hull insurance covers damage to aircraft from ground incidents, often involving subrogation claims. For risk mitigation measures, staff training, training ground crews on loading, towing, and fueling reduces human errors. Example, airlines implementing enhanced training programs reduced ground incidents by 15%. Standard operating procedures SOPs, checklists for fueling, de-icing, and towing minimize risks. Example, post-checklist implementation, towing errors were cut by 20%. Technology integration, automated collision avoidance systems in ground vehicles. Example, ground vehicles equipped with GPS tracking reduced taxiway accidents by 25%. Regular maintenance of infrastructure, frequent checks of runways, taxiways, and FOD removal. Example, a systematic debris removal program cut engine damage incidents by 30%. Conclusion: airport and ground handling risks are diverse, covering taxiing, loading, and maintenance operations and exposing operators and handlers to significant liabilities. Insurance plays a critical role in mitigating these risks, supported by strong risk management practices.